To stop the apps from updating automatically on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, it depends from where you install the apps. As the example, we will do so from the apps that are installed from the Play Store and from the Galaxy Store. First, for those apps that are installed from the Play Store, to do so, open Play Store. Tap your profile on the top right, and then select Setting. Tap General. Scroll down the screen. Tap Network Preferences. Tap Auto Update Apps. And then select Don't Auto Update Apps. Tap OK button to save the change. Second, for those apps that are installed from the Galaxy Store, to do so, open Galaxy Store. Tap three horizontal line icon at the bottom right, and then tap setting icon at the top right. Under data usage section, tap auto update apps, and then select never. By doing this, now your phone will not allow Play Store and Galaxy Store to automatically update their apps when the updates are available. With this setting, if you like to update a certain app, you can do so manually from the Play Store or Galaxy Store. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.